Hi, I'm Melissa. I am one of the estheticians and laser technicians here at the Aesthetic Center of Richmond Dermatology, and I'm here today to talk to you about CO2 laser. So we have the Tetra, which is made by DECA. It's a CO2 laser that has both pulses at its capabilities. One of the great things about this laser is that it has the ability to do the cool peel, which is an ablative CO2 laser with minimal downtime. It's a gentle, lighter resurfacing than it would be with the DECA Pulse laser. The DECA Pulse and CO2 lasers are great for treating fine lines and wrinkles because it's going to stimulate collagen and elastin response. It's great at treating pigmentation, sunspots, scarring, including acne scarring, and generally overall regenerating those cells so that you have a more youthful, glowing skin. For pre-care for this laser, we just ask all of our patients to avoid any retinols for about 7 days. So retinol, retin A, any vitamin A derivative for about 7 days before the treatment we ask you to get off of. We also ask you to discontinue any aspirins or fish oils or anything that could potentially thin your blood if possible. Discontinue that. We ask that you avoid sun exposure for about a week to 2 weeks before any laser treatment, to include any self-tanning or tan in a bottle or anything that's going to cause pigmentation on your skin. We also ask that you do not drink any alcohol 2 days before the procedure, just so that your skin heals faster and you have better results. Post-procedure for this treatment is not too difficult. You are going to go home with a gentle cleanser and a mineral sunscreen from us. We will also ask that you use vinegar compresses on your skin at least twice a day. Vinegar is antibacterial and antimicrobial, so we are trying to keep your skin very healthy as it's fresh and new. We want to make sure that you do not get any infections. After that, we will ask you to use some growth factors and hydrating serums, and you should expect to be pretty red for at least 3 days. The cool peel handpiece on this CO2 laser, you'll have much less downtime than the DECA Pulse. The cool peel setting on this laser will probably be less than a week to a full week of recovery time. You'll experiencing minor flaking of your skin and redness. You could potentially experience swelling as well. The DECA Pulse on this CO2 laser is a more aggressive, fully ablative laser that we use to treat deeper wrinkles, deeper scarring, that kind of thing that needs a more aggressive approach to the healing process. Downtime for that will be longer than the cool peel handpiece, but the treatment for post-procedure will be basically the same. The Diamond Glow is our version of a facial here at the Aesthetic Center of Richmond Dermatology. The Diamond Glow is going to enable us to use a microdermabrasion tip. It's made out of crushed diamonds, which will gently exfoliate your skin and get the dead skin on the surface off. At the same time, we are exfoliating your skin. Serums are going to be pushed into your skin. We can customize that serum as we need to per each patient's needs.